April sales report and best-selling items. For the month of April, I had 138 sales across all stores. This is an 18% decrease from the 170 sales I had last month. I believe the decrease in sales is a result of the competitive landscape of e-commerce right now as a result of COVID. So I am going to have to delve into paid advertisement to get my business out there more. Sales broken down by store: Miss Rhodey 92, Weddings by Rhodey 5, Homeschool Me 10, Rhodey's Kitchen 19, Alma Africa 6, Bible Verses and Gifts 4, and Earrings by Rhodey 0. Best-selling items. My Best Mom Ever shirt is number 1 this month. In second place was my Happy Father's Day photo greeting card. My third bestseller was my Best Dad Ever photo t-shirt. The rest of my sales were mainly t-shirts and Mother's Day, Father's Day cards. Honorable mentions. I am beginning to sell wedding invitations again, which was a pleasant surprise. This lets me know that people are becoming more comfortable with gathering for weddings. Referrals. Using Pinterest, I had 10 referrals, and every referral was wedding related, such as stationery, bridesmaid proposals, and wedding gifts. Takeaways. I can see that business is beginning to recover and things are returning back to normal. It takes some time and patience, but hang in there.